Here is everything it takes to put together a 1970 Honda QA50. Had to replace the foot grips. Got this from Honda. The boots are replaced, spark plug, and it was missing a intake. And I was fortunate enough, I was walking around the guy's place and saw this sitting on a shelf and knew exactly what it was. And he believed it to be new old stock, and I believe he was correct. I think it was really nice. So we got that. Now, let's get it all put together. Bought this a while back, and it was a nice bike to start with. Got it running, ran really good, so I figured I'd do a good detail on it. And started detailing it and realized that somebody had repainted the frame and it didn't match the original color very well. So I made the decision to go ahead and tear the whole thing down. We repainted the frame and the forks. I had shined up the chrome as best as possible. Got some new levers from Honda. The grips are in good shape, so I'm going to leave those. Original tires. Touched up the paint on the wheels. And then we polished up, that's the original tank paint. So that polished up really nice. Original seat, the original plastics, all shined up.